Hi friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I am very happy to share this success story with all of you that are watching this video today. Some of our team members are withdrawing on a daily basis. This is just two of many that has been withdrawing on a daily basis. Those that have purchased fractional real estate in estate, they are making money on a daily basis, and I just want to let you guys know that the opportunity is here for everybody. Okay, meaning that you can join today and start with as little as $10 if you wish to start with $10. As I said, I do not recommend you start with $10 because that is not going to earn you as much as what you are looking at right now on the screen. Okay, one of our team members in estate has just made this withdrawal. Okay, over $2,000 withdrawal as a result of the fractional real estate that he has purchased. And take a look at what he said here, right? This I remember, this is taken directly from the official Telegram channel. He said, the market does not forgive superficial structures. Over time, only what is built on a real foundation remains. This is exactly what draws people to estate here. The mindset is measured in decades, not in the next market cycle. Real property, real income. This is what I have been telling you guys for a very long time. The people in estate, they are real people. The properties that they have in their portfolio, that are all real properties that you can physically go and see. Another of our member made a withdrawal as well of $900. As you can see from here, $903. That's a lot of money. That's profit from the fractional real estate that he has purchased. And again, he did mention something as well. Grateful he is in joining estate. He says, huge thanks to estate for turning real estate investing into something easy, secure, and truly reliable. So guys, this is a good opportunity. I don't want to stay here and say it's not good. It is good for everybody, guys. If you would like to plug in into this platform, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description. At the moment, our team total volume is coming up to over $10,000, and right now 62 deals have been closed already. So if you would like to join the team and begin to see this result, you are more than welcome to do so. But before I leave this video just now, I just want to let you know that when you register today, you will have the opportunity to access all these portfolio of properties that they have here. Okay, they have the Miami property, and then they have the Seattle property. This one, the Seattle one, has been sold out, so you won't be able to purchase a fraction of this just now, but you will be able to purchase a fraction of the lake house with a minimum of $250, and then you will also be able to purchase a fraction of the house with a minimum of $480. If you don't want to do all of this, okay, you can go to the villa. We give you a profit of $19, as you can see, per day. Okay, as you can see from the screen. Now, these are just the minimum to get started with. In each of these properties that you are looking at, you can start with more than the minimum, just so you know. Like the Miami apartment, they said you can start with a minimum of $10. That does not mean that you must start with $10. That's the point I'm trying to make, right? Now, if you don't want to do all of this, if you say you want to go to the tourism one, again, the tourism one is sold out, as you can see, right? But there are still other options for you to choose from. For example, the Commons property, this one, you can purchase a fraction of this at $10,270, and then you will be earning close to $73 on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays. So you have variety of options here, right? You have different options that you can choose from, and then you purchase a fraction of it, and then you get plugged in and begin to receive your daily pay, and then eventually you will be able to withdraw, just like every other community members in estate. As you can see, people are making withdrawals. I have made withdrawals. I am still making withdrawals on a daily basis. Other members are still making withdrawals on a daily basis. If you are plugged in into the official Telegram channel, you will notice that there is a lot of people, right, in the official Telegram channel that are testifying to how estate is processing their withdrawals was I initiated in the back office. So guys, this is just opportunity that we don't want to miss, and I just want to let you guys know that withdrawal is working really fast in estate and everything is working smoothly. So if you are looking for long-term investment, right, because some people like quick money, but estate is not quick money platform. It's a platform that is consistent. It's a platform that is sustainable, right, over a period of time. It's a long term. So if you want to join estate, okay, have a mindset of long term investment platform. That is what I have to tell you guys. If you're watching this video today and you want long term investment platform, estate is where you need to be. So I look forward to seeing some of you that are going to join after watching this video. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.